For you, my son, on your 4th birthday. This book is the product of the many hours he has spent making up stories about Toobi from a favorite book of yours, The Wild Tree House of Borneo. It is an amalgamation of what has brought us the most laughter from our shared imaginations, and as much as possible, they are also your words, my beautiful boy. Toobi woke up one morning. His tummy was a bit sore. Suddenly, a Kentut came out. The blast landed him on the roof of his house. A bird flew down. "What are you doing?" asked the bird. "I don't know. I Kentut and I came here," said Toobi. "You must learn to use your superpowers. Sometimes a small Kentut, sometimes a medium Kentut, and sometimes a big Kentut. You must learn to control," said the bird. Toobi did a small Kentut. He landed on the bird's head. "What? You silly boy, get off!" shouted the bird. Toobi Kentut again, and he landed on top of a polar bear. "Oh, sorry, polar bear," said Toobi. "It's okay, I don't mind, I can shower," said the polar bear. The polar bear pushed Toobi away with his head, and Toobi flew up into the sky and landed on a cloud. "Oh, it's nice to sleep on this cloud," said Toobi. "But wait, it's a bit smelly." "Oh no, it's not a cloud, it's my Kentut!" shouted Toobi. Toobi dived down from the cloud and into the chimney of his house and landed in his mother's armpit. He Kentut and shot out of his mother's armpit onto the road. Soon Toobi's mother was calling him for lunch. "I'm not hungry," said Toobi. "Our Kentut out of here!" But Toobi had no more Kentut power. His stomach was empty, and no more Kentut came. He had to go eat something. When he had finished eating, he Kentut and landed on the roof of the car. Uncle Fari said, "Don't dirty my car." So Toobi took a cloth to wipe the car. But while he was wiping the car, a Kentut came, and it was so strong the car and Toobi started moving. Faster and faster, and all the other cars on the motorway were watching them go faster than them. Toobi Kentut again, and it was a big one. Toobi landed on the moon. He had to have an enormous, ginormous, colossal Kentut to come back home again. Soon, no more Kentut. The end.